Many people have questions, but not everyone finds the courage to ask. Today's reminder offers a gentle and practical solution, an alternative way to find answers to our questions. Preparing question boxes or containers and placing them in suitable locations so that people can submit their questions and concerns is an effective way to identify real needs. Answering these questions later not only fulfills an important need, but also becomes a charitable act carried out during Ramadan, and its reward, all, will be multiplied. There are, of course, answers we can obtain through face-to-face discussions with people we know. However, for those who are unable to ask certain questions openly, or in situations where providing written answers is more appropriate, this method becomes a valuable alternative worth considering. Islam encourages clarity, compassion, and understanding. Make it easy for people to ask. Answer with knowledge and mercy. Be a means of relief and guidance. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. Would a question box help in your community? Subscribe to Light of Iman for day 17 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah make us means of ease and understanding for others. Ameen.